Let's have a very important discussion. ज्ञान की दुकान. Like how we are talking about चाय की दुकान, a very tasty chai. A very tasty chai. Like the same way, in fact, more than that, a very tasty gyan. How you are empowering to yourself and delivering those knowledge, gyan, to the audience, it is very important. The gyan ki dukaan, the inventory you are carrying within yourself and you are not spreading those inventory among the connections, among the audience, your inventory can be waste. Your inventory can be waste. What is important point of discussion here is that if you have a gyan ki dukaan and more gyan you have, that you have to spread those gyan across the connections so that they can be able to get those benefit. That is more important. Your gyan ki dukaan and the value of your gyan ki dukaan is going to increase much more when you are going to spread those knowledge, those gyan across the connections, across the audience. You have a particular inventory that you are carrying, and there are certain risks. So before you are going to create those risks, you have to spread that. And what would be happen when you have a good amount of gyan ki dukaan, when you are in the 55 year of age? You have almost 3 decades, 4 decades of the exposure. What would be happen to those inventory? You are going to leave this beautiful planet. Your inventory, your gyan ki dukaan is going with you. What would be the benefit of those gyan ki dukaan where you are not spreading those knowledge, those gyan across the connections? It is the questions to you, my dear friend, ladies and gentlemen. The gyan ki dukaan is one of the very important part of everyone's life. Wherever you are working doesn't matter, but if you do not have a gyan, you are not going to survive. It is very clear. You have to upgrade your gyan. The new technology is going on. How the new technology is going to dominate to the persons. You have to understand that. And accordingly, you have to increase more values, more gyan in your basket. It is your responsibilities. Then you have to drive more gyan. And once you are driving the gyan, you have a moral responsibility to spread those gyan across the connections so that they would also get those benefit. The gyan is very important. Doesn't matter what age you are. If you are bringing those gyan and developing more and more, you would be in a very use. You are dedicatedly following those, creating those opportunities, and fulfilling the expectations what you have set within yourself. It can be possible only and only because you are carrying those gyan and applying those gyan into the day-to-day life wherever it is required. Gyan ki dukaan is very important for yourself, but at the same time it is also important that how you are going to release this inventory across the connections. It is your ethical responsibility. Then when you are going to leave this beautiful planet, you also spreading those knowledge across the connections and they are getting those benefit. It is very important. Find out within yourself that what kind of gyan you have. In your gyan ki dukaan, you have a more values. And it must be basis of how much year of exposure you have. Because in real learning, you must have a gyan. And that gyan you should spread. It is not only we are talking about the academic or professionals. You have a very more real learning of gyan. You can also spread those knowledges across the connections. That is going to help you much more. That is going to create more confidence within yourself. That is going to create much more awareness within yourself. That is going to give you much more power, and you will be able to get more growth and your life, not in terms of monetary only, but in terms of people are going to acknowledge you. That is more important. So Gyan Ki Dukaan, it is up to you only that how you are adding more values in your Gyan Ki Dukaan, applying in your day-to-day life, growing more in your life, and spreading those knowledge, those inventory to the connections, to the audience. That is more important. You have a responsibility to create a tremendous opportunity for many one by delivering those Gyan Ki Dukaan. And when you are doing this, you would have a phenomenal growth in your life. You would be more sophisticated and more confident till the time you are in this beautiful planet. So what are you waiting, my dear friend? Ladies and gentlemen, find out within yourself what you have in your Gyan Ki Dukaan, spread. That is going to help much more to you and many more. This is very important. This is Sajjan Singh signing out. Until we meet again, thank you. Thank you very much.